Hey friends, it's Lisa. Welcome and thank you for watching another one of my videos. So today I have an unboxing of the 2019 Erin Condren Summer Surprise Box. I believe, went on sale on May 30th and it was shipped on June 6th. Now the surprise box is a quarterly box that they have, and it's up for purchase each time. So unlike the Plum Papers box, which is a reoccurring charge, you have to actually proactively go and buy this when it's available. And they say that there's only a limited number of stock available, so it's highly encouraged to get in the first 1 or 2 days before they sell out. So this box is $35, but they say that it is about $60 worth in value, and it's also free shipping. So since I just bought this alone, I paid the $35 and then my 6% Pennsylvania sales tax, and I got free shipping. So obviously, other than it's summer, you see the monstera leaves and the different palm leaves on the box. It's giving those summer vibes. The only thing that I know about this box is that I think there is a clear pouch that was previewed in the summer newsletters that went out with purchases of the new Erin Condren kaleidoscope planners. So I'm going to open this up and we're going to get right into it. Oh, I love this yellow. I mean, you can see my yellow background. I love this yellow. The box says, make your own sunshine, and their whole thing is that you can go ahead and supposedly reuse these boxes. I usually just go ahead and recycle them. So here's a note from Erin, and the box theme is sunshine in a box. Ready to splash in the summer? It is the best season for making sun-drenched memories that keep us warm all year long. It's also the season that seems to sail by the fastest. So we curated a box of sunshine that will inspire you to enjoy everyday magic while capturing golden summer memories in style. I hope every splash of inspiration you get from the quote on your cover, every happy sticker you pop in your planner, and every memory and thought you jot in your colorful summer journal reminds you to plan and live a life you truly love. I would love to hear from you and what you think of this box. I think I just spoiled it for myself, but cool. So go ahead and rip this paper, and we'll go ahead and just get all this stuff, and we'll move out the box. Okay, so this first thing that I'm looking at is the pen. It is an asterisk ballpoint pen. So asterisk, that is Erin Condren's signature symbol. And it looks like this is a rose gold pen. It doesn't indicate whether it's black or blue, but I would assume it's one of those two colors. But it's really pretty. Alright, so here is the pouch. Okay, so it is a clear pouch that's zippered. It has, it's like a wristlet, I guess, and it has this nice handle that's also the zipper. And it says, I make my own sunshine. Yeah, and it's a wristlet. Bring a ray of sunshine with you. Okay. So, yeah. This makes me think of, like, so sporting events, like, I know here in Philadelphia we have the Eagles, and when you go to events like that, you can't bring in actual handbags unless they're clear plastic for safety purposes. So, I'm not 100% a fan of clear bags, but I mean, if this was something that I was just throwing in another bag, it'd be fine, but I wouldn't want to hold this as my wristlet to take out with me. You know, I don't want people seeing that I'm poor and I have no cash, you know? I don't want people seeing my stuff, so, yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. But this little cute thing was inside, and this is the kaleidoscope pattern, which, I mean, how pretty is this kaleidoscope pattern with the gold foil? Okay, and it's just a mini lined journal. So it's kind of like the petite journals, but this one's a small size, and I don't believe this is something that they usually offer. So it's pretty cool. They have these palm paper clips. So there's 9 of them in here. Oh, I love the back of this! I wish this was a thing. I don't really really have a place for paper clips. I mean, I use them at work, but in my personal life with the decorative paper clips, I don't really use them. So, I mean, they're nice. All right, so here we have a summer journal. Has the rose gold foil of the leaves. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, the summer journal includes 3 undated monthly spreads, a daily journaling prompt, spaces for memory keeping, a list section for your summer to-dos, a world map to record all your summer adventures, and exclusive metallic sticker sheets. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So here it is. All right. Let the sunshine in and let summer begin. So here is the monthly view. To do this month, birthdays, special occasions. We've got some doc right over here. I want the summer to be a moment that made me laugh. Today was. I want to create people that I want to connect with this summer. Something new I'm trying this summer. I relaxed today by. I am capable of this month. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. We're just going to pretend that I read all of these prompts to you guys because apparently there's a ton of them. And then it looks like there is a looking back section. So, and I guess it repeats. So that's cute. Alright. I love this though. Alright, we have some stickers. We have some rose gold foil stickers. And then also some more rose gold foil, a little more functional. These are more decorative. Alright, and then a cover. An ombre pink to teal cover that says Chase the Sun with gold foil, rose gold foil. Alright. So I have the card back that Erin had, and this is going to list what is an exclusive and what is a preview. Exclusive items are typically things that are only found in the the surprise box, although sometimes they might also be available in the retail stores, and previews are previews of things to come. So first we have this clear wristlet. It is an exclusive, and it's $15. A $15 value, they say. We have this summer journal petite planner, and this is a sneak peek, which means this will be available soon to buy on the website, and it's a $14 value. This pen is a sneak peek, and it's $10.50 estimated value. These palm paper clips are a sneak peek at an $8.50 value. These sticker sheets, they say there's 3 of them. I feel like I only have 2 unless there's 2 in here. Oh no! I don't have this sheet. Unless that's in here. Hold on. Oh no, that isn't there. Okay, I guess, are they considering that the 3rd sticker sheet? So I had to cut the video off for a second, but I checked. And in these pieces of plastic, there's only 1 sheet each. So I don't know where it's saying the 3rd. I'll have to watch other people's videos because I don't know. Because this sticker sheet is considered part of the petite planner. So I don't know where the 3rd sheet of stickers that they're saying is in there. We have this mini kaleidoscope colorful petite journal. This is exclusive at $6. The interchangeable metallic quill cover is an exclusive, and it's $8. So, even though I love yellow, I'm going to be honest, I should say I'm underwhelmed by this box. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. I mean, I may be in the minority, and that's totally fine, and everyone is entitled to their opinion. But yeah, I'm just not feeling this box. So that was my surprise box unboxing, guys. Surprise! I'm underwhelmed. I will leave my affiliate link for Erin Condren. I do enjoy a lot of their products, so I'm not like an instant fangirl that's gonna be like, oh my god, they're great, everything's great, everything's great. Like, I feel like so many people on Instagram and so many people on YouTube are, no matter what it is, it's perfect, it's amazing. I'm not like that, and I've definitely had my troubles, but I do enjoy their products. So I will leave the link in the description box down below if you're interested in saving $10 on your first purchase. But if you liked this video or found any information helpful, please think about giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing. And until next time, I hope you guys all stay well. Bye.